Unknown numbers. Unknown numbers. Unknown numbers. Unknown hashtags. And then we're going to look at not only in just addition and in subtraction. And subtraction. Addition and subtraction here. Have we written down the parts of addition and subtraction problem? They're add-ins, right?
Yeah.
Menu and subtrahend difference?
Yes.
Alright, perfect. So the problem is going to look like this. If you have 12 plus some number equals 35, how do you find the answer to that? If you're missing one of the add-ins, Jacob?
You subtract 35 from 12.
Well, here is what I'm going to tell you to do. This is always kind of thing. You're right. But in each of these problems, I want you to do this. Think first of an easy problem to find what process you're going to use. And this will come in very, very, very helpful later on. In other words, this is an addition problem. So think of any easy addition problem. 5 plus 2 is, 5 plus 2 is freezing up the board. 5 plus 2 is 7, correct? If you don't know, if I didn't know this was a 2, what would I do with 5 and 7 to get 2? Like Jake said, we were going to subtract. So that's what you do here. 35 minus 12 is 23. Sorry. And 23 is what the letter M is. M equals 23. And the reason you need to do that is not so much with addition, because you always do the same thing with addition, but subtraction is not always that way. Like right now in this problem here. B plus 8, I'm sorry. I said that was going to do subtraction. B minus 8 is 15. And let's say I've got 13 minus B is 8. Those two problems, you don't do the same way. And if you think of an easier problem, you'll see why. Let's say I have what? Maybe 7 minus 3 is 4. In a subtraction problem, in an unknown number and subtraction problem, if you're missing the top number, if I was missing the 7, what do I do to these two numbers? Add them together. So that's what I have to do here is add those two together. 15 plus 8 is 23, and that's what would go there for the letter B. B equals 23. But that's not what I do here. If I'm missing the middle number in a subtraction problem, if I was missing this 3, what do I do with 7 and 4 to get 3? Tyler?
You would change the spot of 3 and 4.
Right, you would subtract. You would take 13 and subtract 8, and your answer would be 5 for the letter B. And I can tell you on whatever day's quizzes, some of you are not going to do this, and you are going to end up, you'll write 21 for this one, which doesn't make any sense, or maybe you'll write 7 for this one, which doesn't make any sense. Okay, always, 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 if you come up with an unknown problem like that, think of an easy one and then say, okay, if I'm missing the top, what do I do? If I'm missing the middle, what do I do? Because they get harder. For example, like this one here, if I have m minus 25 equals 17. What number goes on top? Okay, first thing you're going to do is think of an easy subtraction problem. 9 minus 6 is 3. If you're missing the top number, if I'm missing the 9, what do I do with these two to get 9? Add them together. So your answer to this is going to be whatever 25 plus 17 is. which is 42. Another m is 42. And again, when you see, well, let's do one more. What if, here's one right out of the book. This is a practice problem. This one's a little tougher. 36 plus 14 plus n plus 8 equals 75. How would one go about doing such a problem as this? Part of Westfall?
You add 36 plus 14, then you subtract 8.
I'm going to say negative. First, you want to do what, Abram?
Add 36, 14, and 8.
Yeah, you want to see how much you have altogether on this side of the equal sign. 36 plus 14 plus 8 is what? 58. And then it becomes just this easy problem. 58 plus n equals 75. And then from there you want to think of an easy problem. 5 plus 2 is 7. If you're missing this middle one, what do you do with 5 and 7 to get 2?
Subtract 7
Subtract, so you can take
5
75 from 58, 58 plus 75. And get 17 for the letter N. 17. Everybody happy? Alright, very good. Okay, so this is done. Make sure you write out these problems. I want this, you should write this out. I don't want to just see this. I want to see this whole problem written out. Anytime you have an unknown problem, I want to see it on your paper. Problem number 7 is 36 plus b is 72. I want to see that. And then you show your work, even though that's not problem number 7. Make sure you show your work.